Now good afternoon. My first time when I say when I come around. But you know say this girl I find girl, sha.
She can be taken by you.
I can be taken by her. I don't say the way this guy they talk, I don't say this guy now plan work. Now be like who want dupe me. You can be taken by you. See this bar as it is. We're not planning to sell it anytime soon. And this girl now to marry this girl, you need to sell this place.
If you know that, you can give it a trial.
But I say if I don't wear society, the form say this English, so they feel they come off on our mouth.
I need it, China.
Is that it, eh? Sorry.
China.
I bet you. Where did you pick him from?
It's my colleague.
I know before. If I be your husband, obviously it can't be your husband wearing coat up and now with you. He's your colleague definitely. Where did you pick him from?
From the office.
Okay. I know if I talk with it in my mind, it will be like I say I try beef with on a carry come because you people cannot be telling me it is the Titan, it is the Titan, it is the Titan. And you people are behaving like earthworm. This one you don't know. I bet you say Titan, I would see.
Of course, it's a Titan.
Yeah, Titan. You know, see, it doesn't look like a Titan.
Calm down.
Why is this guy? Is he blushing? I don't understand what's happening.
Oh, Jane.
All right, now good afternoon.
Thank you.
Winnie. You say your name is Winnie. That's yeah. Winifred now.
Winnie, not Winifred.
Wait, I need to understand. Now Winifred, Abi.
Now Winnie, not Winifred. Now just Winnie without the Fred.
No. I don't understand. Wait. We have Winnie the Pooh. Are you Winnie the Pooh?
No.
You are Winnie the Fred. You are Winifred.
I'm Winnie. Okay.
Winnie. Hey. Your name is David. Now.
King David.
David.
For simplicity.
You shall be saying King David. I don't understand. He's not a king. His name is David. We have King David in the Bible. Who fought Goliath? Have you fought Goliath before?
So who told you I did not reincarnate?
Huh? First of all, King David no gentleness. Can you sing praise?
You want me to make it for you?
You go naked the poly?
Yeah, it was that.
Well, I want to thank Nasana come through. I want to thank them, see them come around because I know some of them when they see this show, then they call them the
next
Titan. The next Titan basically a particular show where we see entrepreneurs they gather from all corner and all nook and cranny of the whole Nigeria. Come gather, can't think of something where they creatively that we do. Then if that's the way then they do creatively makes sense. Business plan, is that a business plan? Then if the business plan makes sense, then look and say this thing and put money inside, it go still blow like Facebook, I be like Apple. Then they can't put money inside, pop money enter the next Titan. Then the winner can go with 5 million naira.
And a brand new car.
Apatashi. If I say you win another, you're busy. You now, if you win another, you can't get boyfriend happy. You come proud, though.
Multiple boyfriend.
Multiple boyfriend. No, that time she go to select. She will say you get boyfriend screening.
They will not toast her. She will like come. I need
that screening. Like you now, you collect form. You now, you must collect. No, they don't give form for you.
Exactly.
They don't give you form. Now you go to screen maybe the gardeners and the more leave that one. So Alpha, tell me about the next Titan we now on do.
Okay, so the next Titan, na entrepreneur reality TV show, where young graduates with good business idea, they come together to compete amongst themselves to win this cash prize of 5 million naira and a brand new car. You know, say we there for society where the rate of job and employment is really alarming. So most of these people, they need to take their destiny into their hands. They need to do something for themselves. You get. So now waiting the next Titan, they promote, come on the show. Come and compete amongst yourselves to win this money to start up your business. And then the show has been able to really give birth to a lot of these business ideas. Some of our winners, they are doing fantastic well out there. And then basically that's what the next Titan is all about. But we get process where they take follow. When we say everybody, we just day, I get business idea, I just they come for the next Titan. No, you guys follow the process. So we get auditions for Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Enugu, where people go come like this. Crowds, that's why the many Nigerians get business ideas. They go come with business ideas, but they will face the audition judges, and then these judges they get to pitch their ideas to the judges, and then the judges tend to select the ones we want. We get it like the top 50 of them, then we bring them to Lagos. It's called, there's a boot camp here in Lagos where we bring the top 50.
Top 50. 50 people with their brain one blow.
From Lagos, Port Harcourt, Enugu, you go to hear mad business idea where you never hear before. They go, all of them go come the boot camp. They go stay amongst themselves for 3 days. The judges also go come. Some sponsors said go come the boot camp. They go interact amongst themselves. We go know them more. Because we don't just want me to come on the show. You know, say, when you come for audition, you feel rehearse. Come for the audition, but when you don't come the boot camp, we go they study you to say, okay, this person really good, and he go face what he tell us he won't do. So from there we go come select the top 16. They go go the house, the academy.
But wait, but let's assume you say you grew for village, in a village today, you for be your lodger. Do you wait till they talk this thing? I say you for be better your lodger. We say all those your lodger, we say it's not top of pots. You see they go run the matter.
All those one they be if your lodger said they.
Okay, now make I ask you, brother Abenovest, for the previous ones they don't do. Now, which kind of business idea then wait dinner we say then come up with? We say that now this is in 5 with this one. Yeah. We mean say they don't knock 1, they don't knock 2, they don't knock 3, enter 4. That 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, which people come out and waiting with the business ideas we then bust out with?
Okay, for season 1, the winner na Eurogama.
Eurogama. Na Nigeria?
No, she did from Port Harcourt. And our business idea is about our business is Heaven. You know, she does hair for women. And Heaven. And she's doing pretty well now. You know, she's.
Na hairdresser.
She they produce product.
Wait, men are not confused. You say na hairdresser they produce product.
No, Heaven. That is a product for women hair.
For women hair. And she they make her herself.
As in, waiting the Heaven they do.
That is
we need treatment for our exact. Now the right word. Now you use them well.
Number 2, waiting. Number 2, ball out with.
Number 2 is an accountant by profession, but basically he helps all the small scale, because the essence of the Titan is make people we get ideas that can generate more employment. You understand? So that it's not everybody that is looking for job, you create the job. So basically, so the number 2 person, he is an accountant by profession, but basically he helps, you know, most times people have challenges with their accounts in business. So he helps those that are small scale, like before he won the 5 million, those that are in his own shoes, he helps them to put their accounts together so that he can push them up to become a bigger brand with time.
Number 3, you know why they ask you all these questions? Yeah. Because some people feel the reason I say next Titan. If it's not those people who say their business now, they go they think say you get the kind of business you don't go bring come. I want to make you top all the winners. Most of them will get idea of the kind of people, the kind of business. More no say that the business will be anything. If it be person they say cup, so if you use this cup in another way, if you listen I say this cup now, many of them they drink water, many of them turn outside, many of them they do flower vase. And if you take construct and you go do ship for people, people go take buy. No, is that business idea? You understand? Yes. So now let me ask you, sir, but no, the kind of businesses when they accept. Number 3, waiting in.
Number 3 woman, na Mavis Marshall Idio. She, in fact,
all this kind of name. Now they select the name. Now they will name the video.
You know that the audition is nationwide.
Okay.
We only chose 4 regional places. So when we say we do Abuja audition, people come from Kano, Katsina, all of them in that
geopolitical zone.
Exactly. So Marshall Idio, in fact, amongst the 4 winners in the past, you know, our own idea is out of the world, is creative in it, and it busts the mind. You know, she turns all these tires, you understand, into fine cushion you can use in your bedroom, that when you see them, you don't believe that those are
DIY women, they see I didn't hear you.
So basically, that's you know, ideas are very creative. If you go to Heritage Bank now, you realize that there are some she has sent to them that you think is even foreign. You understand? So, and now she's currently employing people. So we thank God that those money has helped her to create employment rather than looking for employment that does not exist. You understand? The 4th man.
But wait, to make ask you this question. This English way they speak, so you take and they help me. Because I don't know whether they find an art to speak Pidgin. Are you Nigerian?
We they try. You
know, you will not answer if na hammer and you get not answer they be.
We they try, you know, because Pidgin today talk them for how maybe you no go wrap your mouth. Maybe na sit down. They say person no the correct person for Pidgin. If you don't say the boy have come and go in the place he have Pidgin no get clause.
Pidgin no get clause. He no get pronoun and auto and before now and present
now. You know, the next titan is an entrepreneur TV show. What is entrepreneur in Pidgin?
What is entrepreneur? And now entrepreneur for Pidgin. You know say now, you know say Pidgin now, you know say Pidgin now. Pidgin now. If I want to say entrepreneur for Pidgin, I'm not going to say entrepreneur because entrepreneur is English word.
Yeah.
Entrepreneur na business. We be say person they take hustle, na hustle. You know like say yeah. I do see
you bring idea we be say go translate
na hustle you know entrepreneur na hustle you know say person on street boys is hustling he's an entrepreneur. Yes. What is
the fourth person is a hustler. You understand? So his own idea basically in they turn all these herbs. You understand? It's agriculture. No, agriculture.
Agbo, that's Agbo now.
No, not Agbo. Agriculture. You know, it turns all these farm stuffs into herbs that helps health-wise. And
I say na Alagbo, you say no, health-wise.
Na Alagbo for Pidgin.
Alagbo now, it's an Alagbo.
So that you go trash all your, you know. Exactly.
You now you are from Edo State, now you are from out. You don't know what Eminaken is.
Eminaken, your body.
Hey, because I do like this.
Oh my idea, now join.
Make a babe, no vessel. For this next titan, so waiting be the process because it's sweet person to come outside and say it's just like when I tell say big brother Nigeria now. They say 2,000 people now ain't qualify. And the 2,000 people qualify. They will tell say these 2,000 people qualify, so 5 people inside. There are no people inside. So waiting be the plan, waiting be the process to become part of the housemate. You get any particular idea when it be say they no go collect? I mean, any idea where you just come up with at all, just come in. If you work, you work. You know work, you know work. And what will be the process? What I need to gather? What I need to get to say become part of the next titan?
Okay. The process, like I said earlier, we hold auditions in 4 regions, and then first of all, before that audition, the process, we go call for entry for our website. We will tell people say, come register for the next titan if you get good business idea. So you must send your entry to the next titan. We go put the website online and other media. We go they put and share everywhere. So these people will send their business idea. Come our website first of all. Then now we go come look all the business idea. We get team where they go through all the business. Not be just any business idea. We go just come for audition. Because some people they go just write business idea where they know say no they possible. They no fit achieve them with 5 million naira. They just want to come win the money, travel, use the money, travel out of the country, run. So this our team go come see all the business ideas, see the one where they possible. Say okay, if they come for the show and they win, yes, they go fit do something. They go fit create employment for other people out there. Then we go come see them. We go come invite all those people come for the audition. We go send emails to them. They go come for the audition, Lagos, Port Harcourt. Then you will come face our audition judges. We get audition judges where these people will come in one after the other face. You will tell them the business idea. Apart from that, the audition judges also they'll be looking at other things also that you have. Are you confident? Are you bold? Are you outspoken? It's not just enough for you to have business idea. You don't have
be like vegetable. So actually I have a business idea to sell tire and
you wanna
and the tire now when they sell it, you know tire roll. You know when tire is rolling. Wait, other person want to convince me to
tell me
money for and make it do the business.
So the guys get other things also.
People
exactly. So they will come see them and there plenty. Many gallant people there. Our youth gallants gone. So they go come see them. Okay, select the ones where good, where with their business idea. They go come select them for these 4 regions. 50 of them will come carry them go one boot camp. For the boot camp, they go there amongst themselves. For there, they interact. The judges, we go still give them tax for there.
For that camp, when they boot them so. Now 50 people they did that camp.
Now 50 of them.
Now if during the booting, share the people will come out. They'll pick 16 people. Yes. The people will come out, waiting be the plan for them.
The other 34 people will come out, they don't gain. Because for that camp, not be just for them to come, they play football. They bring in motivational speakers to come talk to these people, to tell them, okay, you don't need to even be on the show to pursue your dream.
You can do it.
I'm telling you.
You can do it.
You don't even, some business idea, now wait till they talk so, some business idea, you don't even need capital to start them.
Now this thing I dey talk with, now this thing I know the one the year for my life. Now this thing I know one the year.
I dey tell you.
So I'm saying no need capital to start. So give me one business where you no need capital to start.
So business idea.
Give me one business. See, we go break bottom now. Give me one business idea where you no need capital to start. Give me one.
There plenty.
Give me. I say give me one.
I dey tell you there plenty.
Give me one.
They don't need capital to start Autoreg. I know the person that conceived that idea.
Auto.
It was just the idea. Autoreg that is running now that you want to.
What do you do for Autoreg?
Your motto now, you want to do the renewal of your license through online stuff. It was just an idea. Yes, and they didn't need capital to start it.
What do you need to take?
You know, there's difference between.
Then build website.
No.
No, they build website for the Autoreg.
That is, you see, you must understand one thing in entrepreneurship. You understand? When she says they don't need capital, the vision brings the pro. The pro is the money. If you don't have the vision, no money will come.
No, you don't go to say the business don't need money. Now this is like
some of them they rent that service like that they make air. You don't need. You need to.
If you get brain now,
you don't get the capital go.
Okay,
you later.
You need to.
If I won't do your hair now, you understand? You don't get the skill. You are making money as you are. You are making money. Home service, all those things.
You know, because there's some people now they feel say I don't need. That is why we have a lot of lazy youth who is the public now. So lazy you go you there now. I have the see. Opolowa, I have idea. I have brain. I have brain. Opolowa. Opolowa now. See, the only reason I say they don't need any money. They have brain. Instead of they go also money, go then go take okay fine. You get brain. We agree say you get brain. You fit do one or two things, but you know you need to hustle to take because a lot of people for this country. They say now who get money, now get idea. Now who get money, now get idea. You don't say if the video picking commerce now, they'll say I want to start doing DJ tomorrow now. I want to do a DJ. The video picking come and say I want to do DJ. I make one woman the sell pepper for street picking come out say I want to do a DJ. Who go fair blow?
You never can tell.
I know they
tell you who the pepper. Okay, fine.
You know
the video don't get the platform now. Why? Because of the background where they come from. It go dead there, but you know me say the other pepper woman so no go blow.
4-5 years.
Let's support guys come from all corner. Even if you say you get the idea, support guys come make that idea come to life. You know how many idea don't die for this country? If financial support don't do that idea go die.
Wait till me I go tell you, say 80% needs financial support, but there are some 20% that they don't know. They think money is their problem, but it's a lie. It's just packaging themselves.
Okay. Now, wait till me they ask this question about this support and this thing. You say there's a lot of you get plenty reality TV show they do these days for this country, and if you go finish, you come out now, money you no go see. Yes, they won't give you money. They just say we'll give you 200 billion naira for the winner. 16 cars and 4-bedroom apartment that you be stay. Win first. Nothing. So waiting be the package now for the winner. Waiting be the plan. Say you carry 5 million, give the person now. After I don't look there, they say this idea is brilliant. It is making sense. It makes sense, no doubt. But when you give the person the money, follow up day on the money. I mean, you don't give person money. The person will carry the money, go to buy cross store.
Let me finish from the boot camp.
No, let's finish.
So those other ones go don't learn from the boot camp before they can't go. The 16 of them will can't go inside the house. Not because they go just sit down for the house, they sleep, they wake up, they drink water. They go drink water, wake up well, but they get different things so that they give them for the house, so they go like tax.
Business tax.
And the business tax go they prepare them. Say okay, after this show, if I they come out now, I want to start up this my business idea. I don't ready to start up. I don't get all what I need to start up this idea. And then after they give them that tax, they compete amongst themselves too with that tax. They go split themselves into 2 groups. They go out, carry the tax, compete, then they go come back on Sunday, come meet the main judges of the show. Audition judge is different from the main judges of the show. We have the likes of Mr. Tonyeko as one of our judge of the show. Tonyeko. Yes, CEO Sarah Energy. Those are captains of industries. They've seen it all. They've seen it all. So those are the judges of the show. And then on Sunday, they come and present to these guys. And then when they present, they will now look at the 2 teams. Now, okay, this one will not do well. This one, wait till make will not do well. This one will now win. This one, now so then they gain a whole lot from being part of the show. And then, now so they go on till the last week, where the final 4 will come present the idea, where they used to carry, where the idea where they used to enter the house. Present and there the winner will come emerge. Where we will come give the winner 5 million naira cash and a brand new car to start up a business.
Once I just get that one there, I'll go marry straight. Bros, this is how your face done low. Beg you pada, you like raw pada, you run small.
I do okay.
You sure you do okay?
Sure.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum
Salam. Yeah, thank you very much. Now, for the purpose of doing this next Titan, they said this is in 5 with this one.
Yeah.
And I appreciate the fact that you don't list out the names of the people we say don't win and rating them we do. This one they want to do so. What be the I want to explain it now. For every person we come from each political zones. Anybody from Lagos don't win so far?
No.
Okay.
Yes. Second season winner.
The second season winner.
Yes.
Very good. Now, what be the assurance? Say when I win this show, you know, say I be asking one question where she never really throw more light. I ask and say that money, if they give you, follow up there on that money. Just be like say they give you grants. You know, say they go make sure say that money you use and do what you want they can do. I be that money they'll just give you, you will just carry them. If you use and do business. Now you know. I be there's a follow up. What be the follow up plan on that 5 million naira? Where they go give you, say I give you 5 million naira, and I go just give you 5 million naira and make they go. I go get accounting plan for you. I will get business plan for you. I will get plan on how to make sure so that 5 million why they give you so. On our month end, I be on our year end, I will come block you, track you for one corner and say, brother, that 5 million where I give you to do business, how far?
Okay, basically, waiting me if you talk for that one, we say, you know that in Nigeria, they are always very smart and all over the world. Most times they believe most of these TV shows say, yeah, they should be pranks. You talk something now, say most TV actually, they don't give them the money.
They don't give them the money.
We would give them the money, you understand? Because, you know, waiting people talk, you understand? Person we money hitting an account, we in France, say, we be among the top 15 contenders, they tell us, oh, boy, how far now?
You know, show me love.
You understand? And you know, say, if the paper no show for ram, he go blow am for out. You understand? So for us to be, and we have brands that support, like Heritage Bank, where we say, it go stain our name.
If they don't give them the money.
So, but basically, what we do is that, year in, year out, the best we do is we don't, so that it will not even look as if you are over-doctoring them. What me I can tell you that so far, anybody that is among the top 16 from season 1 up to season 4, their best gain is not even the winner that won the 5 million naira. It's being in the show. Because being in the show, the thing you have learned, you might not have learned it ever in your life, even for your 4 years in university. The season 1 winner, Erogama, it was after she finished with the show. It's not because she won. After she finished with the show, then Papa trust her and say, Papa can handle the multi-million-dollar business into her hands. And she's not the first child. You understand? But you say, in the history of Ford Motors, nobody that they've ever employed within 6 months that will sell 1 car. Within 48 hours, these girls sell 2 cars for Ford. They craze. That's why we've been having Ford as our co-sponsor and in terms of car in the last 4 years. And this is the 5th year and they're still giving it. You understand? That's a crazy thing. So within, they have a space of time. For me, even I'll not lie to you, I envy them at times. You know why? Because that's the greatest advantage they have is not who wins the money. It's the stuff, especially those that do up to like 10 weeks. The 10 weeks, they do the last 4. Because all the things they've gathered within that thing has made them tick. Guess what? In the last 4 years, some people that did not even win, they are doing better than those that won. Yeah, because they work as a team. So when you now go up now, there's one of our season 3 contestants.
Season 3 contestant.
Wait there for Yabana. He's doing well. You go to Yabana, Barcodes.
Okay, Barcode.
Yeah, he owns it. Rotimi. We're proud of him. He didn't be win now. He's among the top 4 in season 3.
In the part of the top 4 for season 3.
You can imagine. And he's doing well. And there are some people that are...
And they get some people who will be saying...
They win.
Where they win, okay.
And one way or the other, they know even... They do as well as... So that's... So, but as like you ask, basically we will try as much as possible to be transparent. We give you the money, you understand? But at the same time, the best we could do is to, you know, how you doing? Because we've seen the last 4 winners. By the grace of God, the first 3, you know, say the 4th person are just last year December. So we are still monitoring him. But the first 3, they are doing fantastically well. See the first season 1 winner, Arugama. Before after she won now, as I speak to you now, she has about 4 branches. And she has employed people, which is the aim of the Hustling TV show. Say, rather than you looking for a job that does not exist, because every year, universities chunk out a lot of people. You create the job. So in the next couple of years, we can be like America. You understand? You see, out of 10 Americans, you see 4 entrepreneurs. And the hustling people are the ones that really make the economy tick. So that's the essence. So we try as much as possible so that...
so how now we fit take encourage people? Now money to register.
It's free.
Not free.
Not free to register.
Free to register.
So how now fit take encourage people, make people register for this thing, and waiting will make them day easy for me to just say make a register for this thing. Maybe if you enter, as in waiting be the encouragement so I will guys give people.
We dey tell people, take your destiny into your hands. Don't just sit down for house, don't they do anything.
Once you don't look.
Exactly. So see this platform now free. We don't say make you come pay to register. Free, register. You might just be the lucky one to make it to the house, and then you win the money.
Okay.
So
you dey watch American film, abi? You suppose they watch American film.
Before I dey watch them.
Bros, you dey watch American film.
I watch them in those days.
And you know say for American film, you know all those trailer where they do, like when they do team, right from the jungle, team, team, comes the next big thing, boom, the Titan. We want to do advert now. Are you are going to sell the next Titan to me? Because if you in the next Titan cannot sell a business plan to me, I don't know what else you want to sell. You say somebody sell Ford motor in 48 hours, when they never have 57. So sell the next big Titan to me in the next 30 seconds. One after the other, you. Let's go.
Okay, I will do it like American movie.
Okay.
The next Titan, brought to you by Heritage Bank for young entrepreneurs with good business ideas to register. 1 house, 10 weeks, 1 boardroom. Come and win 5 million naira and a brand new car to start up your business. Register on The Next Titan, www.thenexttitan.com.
You can sell anything. Maybe you can sell your husband one day. Bros, you don't watch Yoruba film where now.
Oh, join.
You hear the song, you don't need to do English before people go buy your idea.
That's so natural.
You know, you go the local way. Do advert for us. Next Titan.
That one has more.
I cannot be marketing for a marketer. Can I be marketing a marketer? No. Yeah, you have to market me.
Eka was already to The Next Titan season 5. Egbe yin te ni opolo to jina. E wa register. E ma win 5 million naira àti brand new car. Epo titan.
We'll carry you there and we will refuel your motor and you do it again. But thank you for coming through. We'll listen now. Thanks, baby.
Thanks for having
but
us.
But we like say we have the same pattern of shirt too.
That's one of great people.
Great people, are they? You are busting my
The Titans, you are becoming one of the Titans.
So, we'll go see later. Let me face her.
Yeah, you can play.
So what's up, man?